Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix video that is not playing on WhatsApp. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi is always on. The next thing that you can do is you can check is your internet working or not. Go here to find it. Yes, the internet is working perfectly fine. So after finding out if your internet is working or not, the next thing that you can do is you can go here to Apple Store and write WhatsApp here. And here you can check if you need an update or not. If you do need an update, then you can click on update and update the WhatsApp because sometimes updating it is very important. So let's wait for it to get fully updated and then we can continue. So once the update is complete, you can just make sure if you have it left open, sometimes closing an open app can also fix the problem. I have WhatsApp open here. I'm going to close it. If the problem is still there, what you can do is you can open WhatsApp and go to settings. And here, what you can do is you can go to chats and turn this on, save to photos. After turning this on, I'm sure the problem will be resolved. If it still does not resolve, then what you can do, you can go here to storage and data. And here, what you can do is you can turn it on to Wi-Fi and cellular. Same goes for audio. Same goes for video. And same goes for the documents. So once when you do this, I'm definitely sure that your problem is going to be resolved because sometimes the problem is situated to these domains of WhatsApp only. So turning, all these on to Wi-Fi and cellular is probably most probably going to fix and solve your problem. If it's still there, the problem, then what you can do, you can just go to the home and you can hold the volume up button and the power button like this, and you can turn your phone off. And after turning it off, you can turn it back on. So I'm sure that after turning your phone off and then turning it back on, it's going to solve the problem. Even if the problem still persists, what you can do, you can just go to your settings and click on general and then iPhone storage. Here you can see how much of storage that you have available. Now I have almost 6 to 7 gigs available. That means there's no storage problem with my phone. So that's not the issue. Sometimes because your storage can be, completely full, it might not be saving or playing any video. So you have to check your phone storage as well. Even after that, if it's not working, then what you can do, you can just delete your WhatsApp. You can just go here and click on remove app and delete your WhatsApp, and then you can go back to App Store and then you can uh, download the WhatsApp again by going to the App Store just like this. You can write WhatsApp and you can download it again right here. I'm sure that's going to solve the problem. Even if the problem is still there, then what you can do, you can go to Safari and write WhatsApp down status, and you can go on this website called Down Detector, and it is going to tell you that if there is any problem with WhatsApp, if it's down globally, internationally, if it's not working anywhere in the world or even in your country, then it's quite obvious that it might not be working on your phone as well. So you have to check the status of WhatsApp through here. So I'm sure that from all the problems that I have told you, one of this is definitely going to solve your problem. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.